Hello, I just am filming part 2 of my weekly wash day video. So what I promised to do is to share my inversion therapy method. So I'm gonna do that. So in my last video, if you haven't watched it, check it out. It'll explain the hat and scarf routine. So I'm gonna do inversion therapy. And yeah, I'm just gonna show you what I do. So I do this routine after on wash day at some point, just for 10 minutes. And ideally there should be a scalp massage happening first. So let me walk you through what I'm gonna be using as my oils real quick. Or actually I'll do that and show it to you because I don't want to move the camera. Okay, be right back. Okay, so I am back and I just made my scalp oil blend. So today it's just olive oil, and I use olive oil to oil cleanse my face, so I just pulled some from there. And for me, as like the growth secret ingredient, I'm using caffeine from The Ordinary, so it's like liquid caffeine. And it's for face and eyes, but the whole point is caffeine. So I have a cup of warm water here, and I've placed about 7 droppers full of oil in with the caffeine just to warm it up so my scalp can really like say hello. So now I'm just gonna oil my scalp really quick and then jump over on the side of the couch there to do some inversion for 10 minutes. And this is the routine, super simple, but I tell you it works. And if you can see, I've been setting my hair, but I'm just gonna try to like always test your oil, sort of how you would like with the baby's milk. Okay, it's cool. So I'm just gonna put this on my scalp, let it absorb, kind of rub it in. Fortune says what's up. You know how he is. He wants to say what's up all the time. Whenever I'm doing something, he got something to say. So I'm just kind of working it into the different pockets of my scalp, and I can feel the oil, so it's pretty easy to know what's going on because it's warm, so it's actually very soothing. And I'm just going to use all 7 droppers full because this is my growth treatment for this week. And so we want every drop. And for me, I'm probably gonna run real quick and get some castor oil on my edges so I can help those thicken up a little bit. So there's no like perfect dynamic, but we do what we can. So all of that's on, just kind of rubbing it in as best as I can. Tra-la-la. And my hair was set, so like I kind of just unset it, but I'll just put my headscarf back on, so it won't really matter that I'm like roughing up my roots right now. Ideally, I would have done this step before braiding my hair down and then done inversion therapy, but life is as it is, and that's okay. So yeah, I'll just do some castor oil and then you'll see me do my inversion therapy method. Okay, so I'm about to go. I did castor oil on my edges, and now I'm gonna just walk you through what I'm about to do, and then I'll explain a little bit more. So I'm going to just flip myself over the side of the couch and stay upside down as best as I can for 10 minutes. And then I'm gonna get up slowly and sit down someplace for a moment. And then I'm gonna go on about my day. And that's my growth treatment I do whenever I practice my specific inversion therapy method, which is different than the like do it every day, because I don't have time for that. But this works. I've done it and seen the results. So here we go. Okay, I just did my 20 minutes and now I am done. I know I said 10, but I think I actually did it for 20 minutes before, so I just jumped back into that routine. And that felt pretty comfortable to me, so normally while I do my inversion, I just watch a little YouTube to keep me entertained. And then I'm done. So now I'm going about my business and my hair reset is good for the week. And of course, I will moisturize my hair at least 2 times this week, probably with just water, most likely, or maybe a little bit of leave-in. And this is my routine. So hopefully learning this inversion method is helpful because you just have to do it once a week, but you're applying like a growth oil to your scalp, which will be washed out before you do it again, especially if you use the coffee recipe I made. So I hope this is helpful. Let me know if you try this out, what you think about it, how you feel about it. But it's easy, very effective, and gets pretty quick results. So hoping it's helpful to you on your journey. Leave me a comment below. Tell me if you're finding any shortcuts or like any ways that you're learning to grow your hair a little bit faster, because I feel like this is a method that has definitely made a big difference, paired with washing my hair, paired with keeping my ends moisturized. Like those 3 main things is what has normally produced twice as much growth. So have a beautiful rest of your lovely day. May you be blessed on this day. And I'll look forward to catching you in the next episode, in the next video. All right, take great care. Be sure to subscribe, turn on your notifications, all the fun things, and I'll look forward to catching up with you next time. Bye, girl.